Check this out, guys. That's my front lip. So yeah, that's the front splitter to my 2016 Mercedes-Benz C300. It's definitely seen better days, and that's why I spent all afternoon removing the old lip, removing all the old double-sided tape and the screws, and installing a brand new lip. So the brand new splitter is a 3-piece splitter, gloss black plastic that you can find almost anywhere. I got it online for like super cheap. And it's held on by double-sided tape, but I also installed some self-tapping screws just to make sure it's nice and tight on the car. So now that's on the car, it looks pretty good, but I feel like it needs a little more. A few months ago, I installed some pinstriping on my 2015 Audi A4, and it came out pretty cool. So today, I want to do the same thing for the Mercedes, and I want to do it using red pinstriping. So this you can get anywhere. I think I got it at AutoZone for maybe like $6. It's a 1/4 inch thickness and it's about 40 feet, so it should be enough to do the whole entire ground effects for my Mercedes C300. And the install for this is super easy. Let's get to it. I'm going to start off by spraying some isopropyl alcohol and just thoroughly cleaning wherever I plan on putting the pinstripe. Next, I just tack down the corner and then slowly go inch by inch, pulling it taut but not too taut because it will stretch the pinstripe. Over here, I'm just going to bridge that little gap because this is a 3-piece lip. And once it's fully installed, I'm just going to cut it right there and then heat it up and then lock down those edges. Now I'm just going to repeat the same process for the side skirt extension, thoroughly clean it, and then go inch by inch with the pinstripe. Okay, I got an issue here in the back. So I have Maxton design rear splitters, which looks really cool, but it runs along the bottom here. And for my AMG style diffuser, I really like this black piece to be pinstripe, but it runs above the splitter, so it doesn't really align. I think I'm not gonna do the diffuser and just do the splitter instead and see how that looks. So what do you guys think? I was kind of uneasy about doing red because it's so kind of cliche to do red for sport. I really wanted to do white, but I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna go the safe route and do red. And it came out pretty cool. So I think it was a job well done. So stay tuned for a few more mods on the Benz, and I'll see you next time.